This dashboard that I create with the three crosstabs maybe not need a criteria bar on top here, a criteria bar where from your source data you can add some of your dimensions, for instance the branch name dimension. If I right click this one and choose this option, add to criteria bar, it'll go up there and it'll be ready for your end users to start using these as filters. And you can add as many dimensions as you like, so we could also pick something from our period folder, the journal period hierarchy, add to criteria bar, it goes there, and you have years. A hierarchy simply means that, as you can see here, we got multiple levels, quarters, months, years, etc. You can move these things, so drag drop if you want this to be the first dimension. You could also go here and remove one if you, let's say, have picked the wrong one. Next thing I would like to do is to reserve some space on top of my dashboard here for a title, a text box right here. I just moved the top of this crosstab down a bit, and we can see down here that I actually moved 60 pixels down from the top. You can also go here and change it to be very precise. This one should be starting 70 pixels down like this, and we need to do something similar for the other two crosstabs. Oh, by the way, this crosstab, notice that the bottom of it is maybe too far down, so I need to change the height here as well, maybe. Let's just do it 800 pixels. The canvas is 900 pixels, by the way. So now I'm going to select this one, hold my control key, so now I multi-selected both crosstabs, and then by changing the from top and the height of these, I do it for both crosstabs at the same time. So now they all three aligned and with enough space on top. And in that space, I'm going to add a text box, this one. And a text box can be many things, but mostly it's just a caption. So let's put in a caption here, my first dashboard. And when we scroll down a little bit, we can see there are many other options. Right now, I will just go with a left text alignment. And we get a text box like this. I'm going to resize it manually like this. It should go up here, but again, I could be very precise. This one should start from the upper left corner, 0.0, and 1600 pixels wide. That's width of the canvas, and we got enough space for this one to be 60 pixels high. So that is. Next thing I would like to do is a bit further formatting with regard to background colors and a bit of padding here. So I'm going to use this border styling option. I could add a border. I'm not going to do it here. I'm going to add a bit of padding instead. Just a bit of padding on the left hand side, like 20 pixels, just to get the text away from the border there. And background color. Let's pick a light blue one, this one for instance. So maybe that's what I would like to do with these border stylings. Okay, I think the text is too small, so I'm going to go back to properties of my text box, change the font size here. Maybe we should put up to 20 and bold. Okay, and that. Anything else missing? Maybe a company logo right here. I could add that as an image object. But notice here, I'm going to open up an extra tab in this client. And in this tab, we could open one of the other dashboards, one of the previous ones that we looked into. I could actually copy the full header title here, but I could also just highlight the company logo over here, do a right-click copy of that, and go over here to paste it. And there you have it, your dashboard with the logo. So we're actually done here. Maybe we should just go and save the changes we did. And maybe also switch this one into consumer mode. And there we have it, our dashboard with a criteria bar, with a title text box, with a company logo.